We're about to DIY black cabinets for our abandoned house renovation. To make it easy, we'll link what we used in the description.
This is what this unit looked like before. Stay tuned for the after.
Okay, young lady, what's on the list for us to do right now?
You have to stain the cabinets.
Right.
But first, we're gonna sand.
We have this little 220 sander that babe picked up.
And it's my favorite color.
Purple? I thought your favorite color was pink.
Purple and pink.
Oh.
Mixed galaxy.
Oh, at first we weren't gonna sand, but then when we ran like the cloth to wipe them down across, we noticed that some spots were rough and some were nice and smooth. Like it literally glides in one area and it's like super rough. So we're just gonna go ahead and sand. Don't want to take too much off, just get it nice and smooth. So once we got them nice and smooth, we went ahead and did the first coat of stain. It was pretty satisfying to use because it was so smooth, but one thing's for sure, it will splash if you let it. You just take it like this and run it like that. Here.
Look at the wrist though. Look at the wrist.
Right. And no splashback because he bending that boy right back on there. Big boy.
No.
Man, be quiet. He making a Picasso.
Like this.
No,
Like this.
let him make his painting. That look like a little Picasso. They probably sold that for 20,000.
You said for 20,000.
Yeah, they be like that, bro. Like, what he do? Smack the damn thing up and down? Oh my God, look at it. Look, he got stain on him. That stuff, he fired.
Hold on, Julie.
Ugly face.
We finished the first coat of stain. Now it's time for the second coat. Okay, bang here getting it in, putting this coat of polyurethane on. Look like he know what he doing.
I'm trying to live it. Be the mask on.
But look at this. He's doing the face of this one. Ooh, you can see your face. Mirror vibes. All done. Time for the counter and sink. Mama, how you do it? You want to show Louie?
It's like this. Okay. Here. Back up.
Fuck up.
Back up. Back up.
Advisors that come in and really vet the product, vet the advisor, the agent, and in this case it was me in that story I just shared, to make sure that everything is set up properly. Now, why I put so much emphasis on that, and why I started.
My neighbor's trees and fields, driveway long as fuck, right them all into the crib. So if you come smoking, they can leave you in the field.
You can follow them because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way. I'll just make my own while y'all trying to follow away.